This is the Doogee Ares. It's a beautiful watch, really unique design. Fun watch to play with. You have all these different controls for brightness, do not disturb settings, and find your phone, and of course messages pushed from your phone to the watch if you have it tethered. You also have access to your step count information of the day, heart rate with a continuous active graph with measurement information on it. Really well done presentation for heart rate. You've got blood oxygen using red diode technology, and this is not a real graph, but it does show you your current blood oxygen, and it's taking it continuously every 10 minutes if you want, which not too many watches do. You've got your last night's sleep information, basic stuff, more in the app, and a really nice overview of the weather in your area, selectable centigrade, Fahrenheit, the date, and forecasts, and all those things. A music player rounds everything out. No speaker in here, so this will play the music as it's playing on your phone and control it from there. In addition to all these cards, you have got the app drawer with an overall step count stuff. Here's your different activities that you can do. No GPS. You do have swimming. It's a highly waterproof watch, and all these other activities. And it will automatically sense what you're doing too and go into that kind of an activity. You have to see the summaries on the app after you transfer over, though. Here's the heart rate, the blood oxygen, sleep, weather, and music. We saw all that already. Messages too. You got a stopwatch, timer, find your phone, the QR code for the app, the selection of dials, and overall settings. And speaking of dials, you can add some custom ones if you want to the list of all of these stock ones, like this one that I downloaded. That's all through the GloryFit app. Let me pop it off and show it to you closely. It's a rubberized band, contoured to highlight the watch itself. Really nice, and overall plastic complete watch, and waterproof to boot with one knob on the side. It's the Doogee Ares. Check it out.